Hi children, today we are going to do an interesting and enjoyable exercise of reading. You love to read? Yes. So we're going to read. I'm going to give you two sentences. Each picture will have two sentences and you're going to read aloud and understand. Then we are going to join the sentences by adding and or but. Okay? So you're given two sentences, you're going to read. You like reading? Good. So you'll read the sentence, then we will join the two sentences by adding and or but. Any one word we'll use and shorten the sentence. You like that? It's very interesting. Let's go on to look at our first picture. Look. See what we have here. You love to eat this? Yes? Yes. It's good if mama makes it, but it is not good for health to eat regularly. What is that? Pizza. Okay. My mother baked pizza. Mommy's pizzas are always delicious and you can eat. My mother baked pizza. Good, you read it. Next sentence. We had it for dinner. So here are the two sentences. My mother baked pizza. We had it for dinner. So the two sentences we are going to join together. You either use but or and. Yes? Let's read it again. My mother baked pizza. We had it for dinner. Now shall we join them together? Good. Here we are. We'll join the two sentences. Yes? Good. Let's read now. My mother baked pizza. What is the word we use to join the two sentences? And. My mother baked pizza and we had it for dinner. So we have a single sentence. We learn to read. We learn to join the two sentences and here we added and. Did you enjoy the sentence? Joining of the two sentences? Good. Read it again. My mother baked pizza and we had it for dinner. Lovely, isn't it? Let's take another picture and enjoy reading and joining the sentences together. What bird is this? Have you seen this bird? You find it wherever there is water. Lakes, rivers, ponds. Wherever there is water, you will find this bird. What's the name of this bird? Crane. This is a crane. He loves to catch fish with his sharp beak from the water. Let's read the two sentences given to you. The crane has wings. Here are the wings. The crane has wings. Next sentence. It cannot fly high. It cannot fly very high. Yes? The crane has wings. It cannot fly high. The two sentences. Learn to read it? Good. You can read the crane has wings. Good. It cannot fly high. Now, let's join it together and make it into a single sentence. Yes? So what will you say it as? The crane has wings, but. What is the word we used here? But. It cannot fly high. Now we have a single sentence by using the word but. The crane has wings, but it cannot fly high. Did you enjoy? Good. Let's look at another two sentences. Look. Have you been to the beach? Yes. And you see horses over there and you'll be asking, Mommy, Daddy, help me to have a ride on a horse. And you enjoy going on a horse ride. Yes? Let's read the two sentences. Look at the beautiful picture. They are sitting on the horse taking a lovely ride. Good. Read. We went to the beach. We went to the beach. The next sentence. We took a horse ride. We took a horse ride. We went to the beach. We took a horse ride. So now let's join the two sentences together. We went to the beach and took a horse ride. We went to the beach and we use the word and. Join the two sentences and we have a single sentence now. We went to the beach and took a horse ride. Are you enjoying joining sentences using and or but? Good. Let's take another look at two sentences. Here is a picture. Lovely picture. Which is the biggest fruit? Yes, jackfruit. Good. Now, look at the jackfruit. All outside is all rough, pokey, and inside you had big, fleshy pods of fruit, very juicy, tasty to eat. Let's read the two sentences given to us. The fruit is rough outside. It is soft inside. The fruit is rough outside. It is soft inside. So we have the two sentences. The fruit is rough outside. First sentence. It is soft inside. Now we're going to join the two sentences together using but or and. Look. The fruit is rough outside. What is the word used here? But. It is soft inside. The fruit is rough outside, but it is soft inside. We used but and joined the two sentences and made a single sentence. Are you enjoying, children? Very interesting, isn't it? Shall we look at another picture, another two sentences? Good. Are you learning to read? Lovely. Good. Look at the beautiful picture of a little girl, all bubbles all over. Good. Tina went home. This is Tina. Tina went home. Next sentence. She played with her brother. What did she play with the brother? Blowing bubbles. You like to blow bubbles? Now, read the sentence again before we join them. Tina went home. She played with her brother. Let's join the two sentences together. Are you enjoying reading? Good. Tina went home and played with her brother. Yes? Tina went home and we used the word and played with her brother. Single sentence. Read it again. Tina went home and played with her brother. What did she play? Blowing bubbles. Did you enjoy reading, joining sentences? Good. Let's take another picture. Look at the two sentences given to us now. Look at this lovely house. Where do you live? You live in a house like this. Do you? Read the two sentences. The house is huge. What is huge? Big. Next sentence. It is simple. The house is huge. Next sentence. It is simple. Now we are going to join the two sentences together and make it one. Are you learning to read? Good. The house is huge. Yes. And what the word we are using here? But. It is simple. The house is huge and we have used but to join the two sentences together. The house is huge, but it is simple. Are you enjoying, children? Let's look at another picture. Look. Look at the baby here. Look at a lot of toys here. Let's read the two sentences given to us. My father went to the fair. My father went to the fair. Next sentence. He bought toys for me. He bought toys for me. My father went to the fair. Next sentence. He bought toys for me. Now we are going to join the two sentences together. Yes? Now, look at all the toys here. How will we join? My father went to the fair, which is the joining word here, and he bought toys for me. My father went to the fair and bought toys for me. We used and to join the two sentences. Now, are you learning to read? Enjoy? Join the two sentences and make it a single one? Good. My father went to the fair and bought toys for me, says the little baby. Let's look at another picture. Let's look at the sentences. Read aloud. Look. Sometimes, if you look into the sky, it is dark. The clouds become black and dark, heavy to rain, ready to rain. Let's read the sentences. The clouds were dark. The clouds were dark. Next sentence. It did not rain. Rain bearing cloud, but it did not rain. The clouds were dark. It did not rain. Now let's join the two sentences together. The clouds were dark, but it did not rain. Good. The clouds were dark, but it did not rain. We join the sentence by adding but. Are you enjoying, children? Let's look at another picture and read the two sentences before we join them. Good. Look at these children in the class. They're very busy, very good children. Yes? Look at the sentence given to us. Students were in the class. Students were in the class. Next sentence. They were writing notes. What are the two sentences given? The students were in the class. Next, they were writing notes. Now we're going to join the two sentences. Okay? The students were in the class and what were they doing? And were writing notes. We used and to join the two sentences. The students were in the class and were writing notes. So you learn to read the sentence, you learn to join the sentence. Lovely. Let's go on to another picture. Look at the two sentences given. Read aloud. Who is this? Tina. Read the sentence. Tina is very small. A small, tiny little girl. Tina is very small. Next sentence. She is helpful. Tina is very small. Next sentence. She is very helpful. Shall we join the two sentences together? Good. Tina is very small. Then, but she is very small, but she is helpful. Just because she is small, she cannot help? No, she can. Tina is very small, but she is helpful. Lovely sentence, isn't it? Read again. Tina is very small, but she is helpful. Good. Did you enjoy? Join the two sentences? Good. Let's take another picture. Learn to read the sentences together. Look at the picture. Here, all kinds of vegetables are there. You love to eat vegetables? Yes, it'll keep you strong and clever. Let's read the sentence. Clara. Where is Clara gone? She's gone to the market. Clara went to the market. Clara went to the market. For what? Next sentence. She bought some vegetables. So Clara goes to market. She buys vegetables. Good. The two sentences are Clara went to the market. She bought some vegetables. So we're going to join the two sentences together. Clara went to the market and bought some vegetables. We use the word and to join the two sentences together. Clara went to the market and bought some vegetables. Good. Did you enjoy reading and joining sentences? Let's take another picture. Look. Look at this. Little girl Mary. What is she doing? Reading. Let's read the two sentences. Mary likes to read. Next, she hates to write. Mary likes to read. She hates to write. So we're going to join the two sentences. Okay? Mary likes to read but hates to write. Yes? Good. So look at that. Mary likes to read but hates to write. She will read any amount. Ask her to write? No. Mary likes to read but. We use the word but and join the two sentences. Mary likes to read but hates to write. Good. Are you enjoying reading and joining two sentences together? Good. Shall we look at another picture? Look, here we are. Look at this. Can you see children playing? Where are they playing? They're playing in the park. Where did the children go? Children went to the park. Children went to the park. That's the first sentence. Next sentence, they were skipping. Children went to the park. They were skipping. Now we're going to join the two sentences together. Children went to the park and were skipping. Yes, very good. Children went to the park. How would we change it? And. We use and join the two sentences together. Children went to the park and were skipping. What they like to play? They like skipping. They took the skipping rope and they were skipping. Children went to the park and were skipping. Good. So you learn to read the sentence, join the sentence by adding but or and. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Look what we have here. Here is Susan. Susan bought an apple. What did Susan buy? Susan bought an apple. Next sentence. She ate it. Susan bought an apple. She ate it. Now we're going to join them together. The two sentences make into one. Susan bought an apple and she ate it. Yes? Good. Susan bought an apple and she ate it. Now we use the word and to join these two sentences and make it one. Susan bought an apple and she ate it. Good. Are you enjoying, children? Good. You learn to read. You learn to join the two sentences by adding and or but.